Okay, so you had any questions for today?
I was wondering, could we finish learning like what's the song again? Blackbird or something?
Blackbird?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we learned like the fifth couple of stuff.
Okay, so that's that section.
Yeah.
Can you play that for me like 4 times? Very nice, Ben. Okay, part 2 is so the way we do this is 3 on the A, 5 on the B. Third fret on the A. Yep. And 4th on the A and 3 on the E. Fourth on the A with the middle finger. Yep. And 3rd fret on the high E string with the first finger. Yes. So let's go over that move just real quick, because it repeats. On the A string. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, my solution for, because it's a little weird going to the E string for the high note, my solution for that is always use my 3rd finger on my right hand. It seems to work. Yep. Now we do the same move, just a whole step higher, so. Yes. Yes. Excellent. Now this little thing is 7 on the A. Yep, then move the first finger down to 6 on the A. Good. So that, I think of that as a whole little section by itself. So. Very nice. One more time. Okay, next section. Real simple. So it's 5 and 7. 7 and 8. Yep, then 3 and 5. Move that down 1. Move down 1, so you got the open A. Back to the beginning. So, all together. Five and 7. Yep, and 3 and 5. Yes. I'll do it. Yes. So all together, it's going to be like this. Now, after the first verse, there's just a little tag. So it's 3 and 5, then 2 and 3, and open in 2. Back. Excellent. I practiced in Newport. I'll be right back.
does it go again? It's like
Second part? Yeah. Check it out. This is the way I like to explain it to everybody. If you just think of that, and then move it up a half step, a whole step. Yeah. And what's also neat is the bass. The bass goes up in half steps. So, but to make it even simpler, it's just that move, and then that move up a whole step.
and then what's after that?
And then we're at 7 and 8. Yes. Yeah, so altogether this is like the hardest part of the song. So I'll play that part again. So yeah, let's do it one more time. Excellent. Okay. And then comes the chorus. It's pretty much done after that. So the chorus is this. Okay, so okay, so Now it repeats that part, but it does a little bit different towards the ending. Yep. Yeah. Whenever it goes back to G, it does that little thing. So, wanna try it?
Entire piece.
Yeah, if you can. Yeah. So this is 5 and 7. Yes.
Okay, thanks.
And 3 and 5. Yes. Try that section again. We have so this is a there you go. Try this section. Again, this is the chorus. Yes. Try it again. That section.
But when the chorus ends, does it end with, or does it just end with this?
No, it keeps going. Matter of fact, the song continues to keep going throughout the whole song. It's like all the parts usually wind up back at.
Okay.
So it like continues sort of percolating as it goes. Yes, good. That's it. So it's literally like 4 parts. You know. Well, at the end, I think it just tags itself like. So want to try all the parts again?
Yeah. Wait. What's the tag again?
It's similar to the one. That's opening. So. I believe it tags it 3 times. Pretty simple.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not a classical piece, you know, but it's got some got a little challenge to it. Yes. Try it again.
Wait.
that's the idea. Basically Blackbird.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, so let's do September.
Yeah. Is it B flat?
You see? Then we have C minor. Then we have G. Yeah. Try it again. Yes. Okay, so just for future purposes, this is a minor chord, and the root of this chord is on the A string. So as we get to know some more of these bar chords, we can sort of relate them back to some open position chords. So check this out. Here it's a C minor, because that's a C. We bring it back to B, it's B minor. We bring it back to B flat minor. If we go further back, you have open A and an A minor chord, which you already learned in the open chord series. So a lot of these open chords can be turned into bar chord forms. Another one being, if we move it over to E, now in this case the root would be on the low E string. So that's an E, that's an E chord. If we move it up, we have to refinger it and bar it. Okay? So that's an F. Almost always we refinger the chord so we can bar it, but we just use the pinky. That's why we get into using the pinky, because it helps when we do bar forms. Also, for instance, like even D minor. So we want to take a minor chord, the root is on the D, we move it up, one fret, refinger it, it's E minor. Sorry, E flat minor. Then E minor, and F minor, G minor. So it's a way to get a lot of different chords out of the instrument. Your bar form of G minor is just that, but there's so many more of them to learn. Literally every chord can live all over the guitar. For instance, play G minor like that. We can play it like that. We can play it like that. You can use the shape I just showed you, like that. We can do that. Sometimes I play this when it says G minor. We can play this. We can play this. We can play this. We can play this. And so on and so forth. So the guitar is not unlike the keyboard in that you can, there's many inversions for each chord. You can put literally any bass note under each chord. For instance, in Stairway to Heaven, there's an A minor. A minor with an A flat in the bass. A minor 7, and then D with F sharp in the bass. F major 7. So. the guitar is just so capable of so many different things that the idea that we've mastered it is a joke. I've been playing for 42 years. I'm not even close to being a master of the guitar yet.
Yeah.
You know, so it's anyway. Any other questions before we stop?
That's it.
All right, my friend. Sounds good.
Thank you.